In this video, I will mention why you should not buy from Naveen Automation Labs. This guy will promise you courses that are too costly, and he will also promise you that you can pass any interview even for 6 to 7 years of automation, without even knowing automation. All these sounds good, and I have personally fallen for it. And I have paid the price. In my experience, his teachings were abysmal, and he would not respond much if I had any queries. And when I asked for a refund due to unsatisfactory reasons, he was abusive and later blocked me. However, there is a better alternative besides that I personally have used. You can try courses from Udemy. It is an online learning course that provides the same level of learning, in fact, even better than the one in comparison to this person. The best thing about Udemy is that there are a number of people available from different nations providing their courses. Also, if you do not like any of the courses, you can get your money back 30 days from purchase. The courses are usually within the range of 400 to 600 rupees. Udemy runs promotional offers especially when there is a big occasion in India or USA. For example, Diwali, Christmas and New Year are the times when the courses are available at the cheapest rate. There are also courses on Udemy that has everything you need to learn on automation from scratch, including Java, Selenium, Cucumber BDD, and so on. All this just in 400 to 600 rupees. Also, if you have any doubts on any topics, you can ask in the Q&A section and your answer gets resolved within a day or two. The course prices differ on daily basis. If you find the courses are at a higher rate, wait for some time, it will reduce. Note that this is not a sponsored video. It is just that I am sharing my experience as I wasted my money on this guy's courses. The best learning is by actual usage. Try to get an experience and hands-on, and you will be the master of the things you want to accomplish.